Advance Australia Fair is the national anthem of Australia. Created by the Scottish-born composer Peter Dodds McCormick, the song was first performed in 1878 and sung in Australia as a patriotic song. It replaced God Save the Queen as the official national anthem in 1984, following a plebiscite to choose the national song in 1977. Advance Australia Fair was published in early December 1878 by Peter Dodds McCormick under the pen name Amicus. It was first sung by Andrew Fairfax, accompanied by a concert band conducted by McCormick at a function of the Highland Society of New South Wales in Sydney on 30 November 1878. The song gained popularity and an amended version was sung by a choir of around 10,000 at the inauguration of the Commonwealth of Australia on 1 January 1901. In 1907, the Australian government awarded McCormick £100 for his composition. In a letter to R.B. Fuller dated 1 August 1913, McCormick described the circumstances that inspired him to write Advance Australia Fair. The earliest known sound recording of Advance Australia Fair appears in The Landing of the Australian Troops in Egypt, a short commercial recording dramatising the arrival of Australian troops in Egypt en route to Gallipoli. Before its adoption as Australia's national anthem, Advance Australia Fair had considerable use elsewhere. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.